So today I'm going to do a very simple dog head ring for Amber, and I'm just going to take a piece of 20 gauge wire and I'm going to start with the eye. So we're going to make a little loop, just bring it around. Now if the end of your round pliers aren't very small, just start the loop and then just give it a little bit of a tug and that'll make it smaller. And then we're just going to bend that one out to make the nose, and then we're going to take the pliers and start the ear. So it depends on what kind of dog you want to do. This is a generic dog, so we're just going to loop the ear around here. You can make it a little bigger if you want, and then just take this one down there, and from there we're going to do the nose. So we'll just take this, bring it down. You can even make the little tongue sticking out if you want. We'll just make it plain for this one, and we're just going to go up and then back down, and then from here we can just end down here or up here, whichever you prefer. So we're just going to start here and bring it around, and you can always put beads on here if you like, that's not a problem. And we need to end the wires, so we're just going to take this, bring it around, clip it, push it flush. Same on this side, we're just going to take the end, bring it around, give it a clip, and push the ends in. So there we have a very basic dog head. And to do the ring, we need the mandrel. We're just going to take the 18 gauge wire and bring this one around the size that you want. Take one end and bend it up, and then we want to see how big it has to be, so we're just going to put that in the position so we know where to bend the other side. Take this one and bend it up. So I do a lot of my rings like this, especially when you want to just make a simple charm ring. So we have the end sticking up, so we'll put one at the back of the neck and one at the nose. Put it back on the ring cone, just bend one way, one the other, remove it, tug that one in a little bit, give it a little clip, pinch it so it's closed and it's flush. This side too, you might have to push this down a little bit, give it a clip, close up the gap and make sure it's not pokey, and then we're going to put it back on the ring cone and we can just shape it, and there you have your super cute little doggy ring. So I made another one a little bit bigger, and I actually put like a little tongue there so the wire goes into the tongue, and I added some beads. Lots of possibilities for these rings.